I'm joined now by LendingTree's Chief Credit Analyst, Matt Schultz. And Matt, we just heard the pros and cons of reopening the economy in Texas, but let's face it, some folks have reached the end of their rope and are desperate at this point. And you've been fielding calls from some of those people, right?
Yeah, and what we found is that an awful lot of people are starting to see that credit lenders are beginning to reduce their credit limits on some of their credit cards, or sometimes even close those credit card accounts without telling them. And that's an unfortunate reality kind of where we are now, but it's something that people need to deal with because a lot of folks view a credit card in a real economic crunch as a lifeline.
You can kind of see why the banks are doing that, but what advice do you have for those who are in this scary situation?
Yeah, it definitely makes sense from a bottom line standpoint for banks to do this, but it is tough for the average consumer. And really, the thing that people need to understand is that the most likely cards to be closed or to have their limits reduced are ones that aren't used very often, if at all. And that's basically because banks aren't making any money off of them. So if there is a way for you to spend a little more on a card that you haven't used in a while, that's a good way to help your situation. The important thing, obviously, however, is that you don't spend unnecessarily. If you can make a purchase on a card that you haven't used in a while, instead of on your primary card, that can be something to do. Or you can take a recurring subscription like a Spotify or Netflix subscription and move it over to that little used card, and that can give that card a little bit of life.
And you said this reminds you of something from not too long ago, right?
Yeah, absolutely. This is very much from the bank's playbook from a decade ago in the last economic recession. We saw it actually to a bigger degree back then, where banks panicked and saw all the risk out there with climbing unemployment and that sort of thing, and decided to reduce credit limits and eliminate credit card accounts. So this isn't a surprising thing that we're seeing this now, but it is something that people need to be aware of.
Indeed. Matt Schultz, Credit Analyst for LendingTree. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.